Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the PDF and print dialog so the booklet layout works. First, verify page size and orientation inside the file. Mismatched sizes wreck imposition. Once done, open the PDF in an app that offers Booklet or 2-up imposition. Make sure paper size matches your stock, set scaling to 100%, and enable duplex long edge. If your software shows a booklet preview, glance at it now to confirm page pairs before moving to printer settings. Next, configure the printer and the imposition order so pages pair correctly. Select booklet binding side and choose 2 pages per sheet with 2-sided printing. If the driver lacks booklet mode, use the app's imposition tool. Confirm the print driver won't auto-scale or center content. Use the preview to verify first and last pages are paired and that spreads read in the right sequence. If your printer requires manual duplex, plan the feed orientation and mark a test print to avoid flipped pages. Finish by running a small test and assembling the booklet so you catch errors early. Print 4 to 8 pages first, fold them together, and staple through the spine to verify sequence and margins. Once satisfied, print the full job, trim if needed, and use a bone folder for a crisp spine. If pages are out of order or the printer refuses duplex, insert a blank page to make an even count, or print odd pages, then even pages manually. This fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.